How to convert your Facebook account to a page. Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to be quickly walking you through on how you can convert your Facebook account to a page. So if you want to do that, just come over to your facebook.com. Once you're over here, log into the account you want to change, and as you can see, I've logged into my account. Now to convert it into a page, what you're simply going to do is you're going to come to the pages section on the left hand side. Once you're over here, simply click on create new page. Okay, add the name for your page, add the category you want to add your page in. So let's say I'm going to go with web designer, and then just click on create page. Now what it's going to be doing is it's going to load your page in, and as you can see, I've created all these pages on this right hand side, and it's going to make pages like these. So as you can see, I have different pages for different types of categories. So there's restaurants, musician, technology, IT. So it depends on how and what type of page you create. But yeah, that's the simple idea of how you're going to convert your Facebook account to a page. Thank you for watching till the end, and I'll see all of you in the next video. Goodbye.